Hello, this is Mr. Rickman coming to you again with another tutorial video. This time I want to talk about creating quick and easy videos that you can send out to your students, parents, admin, other coworkers, that sort of thing. Ideally, this should take you less than about 15-20 minutes maximum. And what we're going to be using is Flipgrid Shorts. So I've talked about the Flipgrid Shorts before on Flipgrid, specifically about how to use their screen recording software to kind of help you create like mini lessons and that sort of thing. Today, I'm going to actually show you a little bit of an advanced way to go back and forth between both your face recording and your screen recording in such a way that actually makes it seem a little seamless and actually makes it look a little professional. So to start with, in case you aren't aware, Flipgrid Shorts are, they use Flipgrid's camera recording software just like as if they're on the Flipgrid grids like you send out to your students. And what it does is you create a quick video that then you can share through Google Classroom, through email, however you wish to send it. The idea is that these videos can be only a maximum of 10 minutes. This helps to make it so that it's not bogged down, and also helps so that then your students don't have too much to worry about with it. So the first thing to start with is you click record short, right? And then voila, here we are, right? So then it starts off trying to record your camera. So once, say you want to start and you want to record using your camera, maybe you want to give a quick intro, right? So then you just go down here and you click this button. So let's do an example here. Gives you a countdown. Hello, my name is Mr. Rickman and welcome to my class. Okay, so I've recorded that. So, okay, you want to add a little bit more though, right? What you'll do is you click next. Hello, my name is Mr. Rickman and welcome to my class. See, so now I've recorded that. Now, I want to add a little bit more, right? I've got on my other tab here, I've got an introduction PowerPoint, right? Something I want to do every year, just introduce myself to my students, right? Normally I'll do that in class, but since we're doing things remotely, I want to be able to show this to them now. Well, how you do that is you go and click Add More. It takes you back to the camera screen, but now you can do more than just record your camera. You can click these three dots where it says Video Options, and then you can now click the screen recording beta version, right? You'd click on that, click Start Screen Recording. I'm going to just record the whole screen. Now notice my camera view is still going to be down this bottom right corner, right? You can choose to X that off if you didn't want it there, or you can leave it if you so choose, right? I'm going to leave it there for now. Click Share. Oh, hey, it's doing a countdown. Okay, give it a moment. And in a second here, I can just pretend as if I just started things from scratch. So say, you are now in my English 3 class. Here's a little bit about me. This is my 7th year of teaching. This is my 5th year in final IST, right? I need to update some of these things because I'm now Flipgrid certified level 2. I can update some things, but it gives you some things to actually talk about. Once you're all done, you just go back to that tab, click Stop Recording. Hello, my name is Mr. Rickman, and welcome to my class. Okay, give it a moment. And in a second here, I can just pretend as if I just started things from scratch. So notice there that it contained a little bit of that intro beginning. And I want to maybe cut some stuff there, right? I want to maybe cut the little bit of the end too, where I was exiting out of things. So I click on this specific part of the video. Okay, give it a moment. And in a second here, I can just pretend as if I just started things from scratch. See? So I can go right about here. You are now in my English 3 class. See, right? So now I've cut that. Now let's say I want to go a little bit further here. Let's see where I can cut it at the end. Nope. All right, so I want to go back a little bit here. There we go. So I'm going to cut it, and it's about right there. So now I'll have this, right? So I'm going to click Confirm. Hello, my name is Mr. Rickman, and welcome to my class. You are now in my English 3 class. Here's a little bit about me. This is my 7th year of teaching. This is my 5th year in final IST, right? I need to update some of these things because I'm Notice that was pretty seamless, right? The transition between the transition between this clip and then the actual screen recording part went pretty seamlessly, right? And if I want to add even more, right, I could click here. I can add more video, and That way, like, okay, maybe I kind of finish things off, talking to them a little bit, going through expectations, those sorts of things, right? I'll click next. Once I've gone through it, I've edited it, made it look like it's all nice, right? I click next again. I gotta take a selfie. Ta-da! Right? And then once I'm done, now it's a terrible selfie, but hey, once you're all done, then you click next. Hey, then it uploads the video. Once that video is finished uploading, right, you can click on it. Okay, it's preparing it, but then all you need to do is just copy that link. I can go into my Google Classroom and I can add link, boop, and now that Flipgrid short will be available. So I can say, welcome to my class. And then we'll give it a moment, I think because the video, there we go, post, and there we go. Now students can click on it and they can view the video, right, once it's finished preparing. It'll take it a few minutes. But once it's finished preparing, after a few minutes, you can send this video out and your students can view it. And so that's a really quick and easy way just to make videos to send out to your students. It's also, especially for introduction, beginning of the year, it's also an easy way to create videos for like mini lessons. So if you have maybe just some content, some material you want to go over, you have a PowerPoint or another video or a Prezi or something like that that you want to utilize to help teach some material to the students, that's a quick and easy way to do just that. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful to you. Thank you very much for your time. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. And as always, don't get arrested.